Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Masha, and today I'm going to show you a new transcription website called LegalProof. So I'll show you how you can apply. The tests are very easy. So let's continue. So first of all, you go to your search engine and type LegalProof. Click on the first result. Sorry about my internet, it's a bit slow. So this now is the site. Become an expert transcriber today. They are actually hiring worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are, you can apply right now. Okay. So you can scroll down. Let's scroll down. Okay, freedom to control your future. There is minimum experience needed to get started. All you need is an internet connection, reliable computer with Microsoft Word, and drive to succeed. So in LegalProof, you need to have the Microsoft Word. Why? Because all your work, you'll be editing all your work in Microsoft Word. So how much do they pay? Let me see where they. Okay, let's go down. Okay, there are three types of account in LegalProof. We have the general transcriptions, which have the general files like the YouTube blogs, just the simple files. Okay, then we have the Lego transcription. That's the next account. In Lego transcription, you will be only dealing with the Lego content, the Lego files. Okay, and this one, okay, in general transcription, you will be paid $30 per audio hour. Okay, not per hour. Yeah, get me? It's audio hour. $30 per audio hour. Okay, whereas in Lego transcription, you'll be paid per page. So you'll be paid $1 per page. That's why they require you to have a Microsoft Word, yeah, in your computers, because you'll be editing your work there. They don't have their platform where you can just work in their platform and submit, like the likes of Go Transcript, the Verbit. No, this one you have to work offline. You need to work not offline. You need to work with Microsoft Word and submit your work. Okay. Then the third level, it's the Lego proofing. Now this one is an expert. As a Lego expert, you are responsible for proofing completed transcriptions, verifying the applicable style guides and templates have been followed, and ensuring the documents are 100% client ready. As we expect the highest quality of our transcribers, the rate for proofing is 75 cents per page. That is $0.75 per page. So they pay per page. Okay. So what you do to apply, you just come here, just say apply. After you've clicked this apply now button, it will take you to this page whereby you are supposed to read about this, the Lego transcriptionist. So for people with excellent transcribing skills that can follow multiple style guides, this job's for you. You must have a word accuracy of 97 to 98% and be able to meet strict turnaround times. Failure to meet accuracy levels or turnaround times will mean removal from the team. If you understand Lego jargon, this is a plus but not required. Okay, it's not required. So you can start this one even as a beginner. We also need LegalProofs. Once you have a proven track record as a transcriptionist, you may be invited to join our Legal expert team. Our Legal expert should be able to submit a client-ready Legal file. Okay, and the next level we have the general transcriptionist, and they are seeking transcriptionists who can demonstrate excellent accuracy, the ability to insert timestamps and identify speakers, and that are able to pay close attention to details while following different style guides. This is not a legal position, but you can work on both teams if qualified. Okay, so you just need to fill out your personal information. Okay, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, the city you are in, your state, country. Then when you come down here, please indicate the position you are applying for. So if you click the Legal transcriptionist, your test will be a Legal file. They will give you a Legal file. When you click on general transcriptionist, they will give you a general file to transcribe. And the file are not huge. I think they are 3 minutes to 6 minutes. 3 minutes to 6 minutes. So I can show you the Legal one because I applied as a Legal transcriptionist in this company. So after you've clicked next, they'll ask you some other general question like where you learned about them. So after that, it will direct you to a Google Drive page where they have all their files there and you can download them. So I have downloaded the file already. I've downloaded all the files, but for the Legal transcriptionist, not general transcriptionist, because I love doing Lego files. Okay, so you come, let me open. So you'll find this. You can download all the files as a zip folder. This one, then you just extract it. Just right click it and just say extract here. After you have extract, you will find all these files: LP exam backup audio, LP exam instruction, LP exam main audio. Now you will be transcribing this audio, the main audio. This one is just a backup audio. If this one fails, this one is a backup. You can use this one. These two are the same. They're the same audio, but use this one because of quality. LP exam notice of deposition. Now because I'm doing the Lego test, okay, for the Lego position, so that's why I have this one, notice of deposition. Okay, these one are court matters. So if you understand deposition, you know what's this. Then we have the reporter's notes. Also, if you understand Lego files, you know you have to have the reporter's notes, where the reporters marks spellings of names, the spellings of antonyms, those who are present in the court or in the deposition. So like this one is not a court hearing, this one is a deposition. Okay, because we have the notice of deposition. Okay, now we have the exam template. Okay, the exam template. Let's go to the audio so that you can hear the quality of the audio. It's not difficult. So let me just play this one.
Alright, this will be the deposition taken on behalf of defendants as opposing parties for purposes of discovery and cross-examination. and all other purposes permitted under Georgia law. The deposition will be taken pursuant to notice and agreement among the parties as to the date, time, and place. Mr. Hayes already stated they'll reserve objections. And I assume it's okay to waive all formalities as to the method and manner of taking the deposition until the time, and reserve objections until the time of hearing, except as to former question and responsiveness of answer.
Yes.
All right, Madam Court Reporter, if I could get you to swear the witness.
Yes. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes. You may begin.
All right, my name is Lee Titsworth, and I represent Renner Center and Hartford Accident and Indemnity Company. You have a workers' compensation claim that is filed against my clients, scheduled to go to hearing on April 21st, 2021. I'm going to ask you some questions regarding your claim, including some questions about your background, the accident, and what you've been doing since the accident. Have you ever sat through a deposition before?